Our dish for today is tapsilog. It is a popular Filipino breakfast dish, consisting of tapa fried egg and garlic fried rice. I put a twist on this dish, and I will use wild game moose meat instead of beef. This dish is all about balance of flavors and textures. Work together to keep your palate wanting more. Cut the moose meat thinly across the grain to ensure faster cooking and the meat is tender. 2. Make slicing easier. Freeze the meat for a few minutes until slightly firm. Use meat mallet to help tenderize the moose meat. Start by placing the sliced meat that you want to be flattened. The next step is quite simple. Just start hammering out the meat. I found it works best if you hammer in a circular motion, as this makes sure you aren't flattening just one area then. After the meat is about halfway to as thin as you want, flip it over and repeat the process until it is as thin as you need it. In a non-reactive bowl of sliced moose meat, combine minced garlic, calamansi juice or lemon juice, sugar, soy sauce, salt and pepper. Stir until sugar and salt are dissolved. Add olive oil and mix it very well to fully coat with marinade. Keep overnight in the refrigerator to cure. Drain meat from marinade. To make a garlic rice, we need a lot of minced garlic and cold, leftover brown rice. If you're making rice specifically for fried rice, you can cook it with less water so that the grains come out a bit more chewy. A chopped green spring onion for garnish and toppings. This is how I cook garlic fried rice. Heat a large stainless pan or a wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, add in the oil and minced garlic, and cook over medium heat until golden brown. I like my garlic really crisp and golden brown, but if you're not a big fan of crispy garlic, you can add the rice sooner. Add in the leftover cooked and cooled rice, and break apart any large chunks. If there are any, then add more crispy golden brown garlic. Mix the rice until it is loosened, and leave to cook for 4 to 5 minutes over medium high heat. Feel free to season with more salt to taste. In a wide stainless pan over medium heat, heat about 1 tablespoon oil. Dotted beef in a single layer of marinated moose meat and cook, turning on sides for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until liquid is thickened and almost absorbed. Add another 1 tablespoon of oil, and continue to cook until meat is lightly brown. Remove from pan and serve it while still hot. And that's it. Share and enjoy. If you are watching this far and you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. I would love to hear your comments and suggestions. And don't forget to like and share. And if you are new to this channel, thank you for joining me today. I appreciate your time and you are the most welcome. Thank you for watching.